Good day and welcome to question 2C of the 2023 practice assessment of the exam paper Demonstrate Mathematical Reasoning paper number 91947. This is worth 5 credits, and without further ado, let's do question 2C, which is an excellence question. Okay, so we have a semicircle, okay? So point N lies on a semicircle as shown, okay? The point is at 6P, X is 6, Y is P, and then L is at minus 10, 0, and M is at 10, 0. Okay, so if you know the length, so show that the triangle LMN, this triangle here, okay, is a right angle triangle. So this is a very long question, so we shall go do slowly. So we need to find LM. So LM is the distance, so minus 10 to 10 is going to be 20 centimeters, so that's understood, okay? LN is here. You notice the height is P, okay, because the Y is P, so the height is P, and the length here is 6, and here is 10. So it's going to be 6, 10 minus 6, the length here is going to be 4. Here to here is going to be 4, and then because the total length is 20, so this will be 16, okay? So very simple. So now we need to form equation to solve it. So we need to know the length of LN. LN is, where's LN? LN is here, and MN is here, okay? And then we know this is 20, okay? So LN squared, so LN is here, okay? So it's going to be P squared plus 16 squared, which is equals to P squared plus 256. So LN is the square root of that number, so the square root of 256 plus P squared. Hopefully you get it? Great. MN on the other side is this length here. We know this is P and this is 4. So to get MN squared, take P squared plus 4 squared using Pythagoras, MN squared. So to get MN, you just need to square root P squared plus 16. Okay, so that is the expression for LN and MN. To prove that it's the right angle, we know that LN squared plus MN squared then must be equal to this squared, 20 squared. Okay, so LM squared plus MN squared equal to LM squared. Okay, so we found that LN was this, MN is this, it must equal to 20 squared or 400, okay? When you square the square root will disappear. So 256 plus P squared plus 16 equal to 400. And then the idea now is to solve the value of P, okay? So P squared plus P squared is 2P squared. 256 plus 16 is 272 equal to 400. To solve, to get rid of 272, you minus 272 on both sides. So 2P squared equal to 128 because 400 minus 272 is 128. Then what we're going to do, we get rid of the 2, we divide by 2. When we divide by 2, P squared equal to 64 because 2 divided by 2 is 1. 128 divided by 2 is 64. And P is the square root of 64, which is equal to plus minus 8. So the height cannot be a minus, so we put the P as 8. So far so good? Great. Now we know that P is equal to 8, we're going to put the P back into this equation, okay? So Ln is 256 plus 8 squared, which is 64, is equal to square root of 320. The same thing for Mn. 8 is now 64 plus 16 is going to be 80. So to prove there's a right angle, we need to show that this squared plus this squared, okay? Ln squared plus Mn squared, which is equal to, you get rid of the square root, when you square, the square root becomes 320 plus 80 and equal to 400, and that is equal to 20 squared, which is what we want, and we have proved that it's equal to Lm squared. So Ln squared plus Mn squared is equal to Lm squared. Then we have proved that this is the right angle triangle. It's very messy, but hopefully you go through again, and I'll see you in the next. By the way, this is an excellence question, and we do another excellence question in the next video. Cheers everyone, and have a great day.